Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake bites, only way. Whisk wet and dry ingredients separately, then combine until smooth and slightly runny. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and use a squeeze bottle or pastry bag to form small spirals. Fry bites until golden, drain on a rack, then toss in powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar. Serve warm with jam or chocolate for dipping and enjoy the carnival flavor at home. Room temperature eggs and milk help the batter emulsify and create that light interior we want. Mix wet ingredients first, then fold in dry ingredients until just combined to avoid gluten development. If batter is too thick, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it flows slowly. If too thin, sift in a bit more flour. Rest batter briefly to relax bubbles before piping to maintain shape while frying. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts through every kitchen shift. They feel great while you stand frying funnel cake bites, and they won't let you down during long baking sessions. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use a deep skillet and a thermometer to keep oil at 350 degrees F for consistent color and texture. Pipe 2 to 3 inch spirals or lacy rounds into hot oil, flipping once to brown both sides evenly. Drain on a wire rack to keep crisp edges and toss in powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar while still warm. For variety, serve with jam, chocolate sauce, or a dollop of whipped cream for irresistible bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.